Meaning of gangland.
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 Gangland. Gangland refers to an area or society predominantly controlled by criminal gangs. It usually implies a high level of violence, lawlessness, and organized crime activities such as drug trafficking, extortion, and racketeering. Gangland can also refer to the subculture and lifestyle associated with gang membership. The term is often used in reference to urban areas with high crime rates, particularly in cities with significant gang activity. Overall, gangland is a term that suggests a dangerous and complex situation associated with criminal gangs and their activities.